All right, we are back. Got the new hose made. Had to go to 3 different hydraulic shops to find everything we needed. The guys got that other pan out of there so we can
route it.
I think it was on the very bottom, Willie.
It was between those, I know that, because I had a really hard time.
Okay.
Because I had to push these down against that pan in order to get it through there.
Okay. All right. So we'll see what we can do as far as getting it on there. That's about as long as it is. I just need to
Need
to turn it, spin it.
Which way? This way?
Yep, keep going that way. A little bit more, right there. Can someone hand me a flashlight? I want to make sure this thing's clean up here.
Yeah, I got you. What did we do before phone flashlights?
All right. I need a rag.
Rag.
So we got Willie here putting on the bolt from up above because John couldn't get the right angle on it.
45 minutes later.
Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a minute.
Yeah, that is as tight as I can get it with my fingies.
All right, let me snug them up and then I'll hand you a wrench.
All right. Pretty comfy. It's like my bed at home.
That's a rough bed.
Cold. And hard.
Wow.
I'm just kidding.
That's okay.
I have a lovely bed.
Dude, I've been using that weighted blanket every night because it's so cold. It's like 60 degrees in my room at night because the heat doesn't work in there.
60 degrees?
Yeah, it's freezing, dude.
That's what our bedroom is.
60 degrees?
It's like, yeah, 62 at night.
Ice, dude.
Why?
Because our heat's messed up.
Yeah, his heat was like doesn't heat all the rooms or something like that.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. So
Brand new build.
the heat will kick on.
Screwing stuff up.
The heat will kick on, and it'll kick on through our room. And our room's the only room upstairs that'll heat. So it'll try to heat the whole upstairs through our room. So it'll make our room like 80 degrees.
Why don't you call your builder?
I have.
You're not jumping on that?
They were supposed to come on Friday and they didn't, so.
Oh, one of those again.
Yeah.
Did it just start doing it?
No, but we really noticed it in the last couple weeks.
It started getting really cold.
Yeah.
All right, can I get a zip tie again, Josh?
Yep.
Pull me down
All right, there we go.
All
We
right.
good?
Got it.
I think so. Here you go. Mercy.
Do we need to put this back together?
We'll get it at the shop. We'll just get it on and get it out of here.
It was this one right there. Right here.
Huh?
This one right here.
What is it?
Back there.
Oh, the hose.
Nice. This one right here. Hi. Three now, boy. He's crawling out.
Now we just gotta get this track back on.
Oh, mercy. Oh. All right, let's put oil in it before we get that all back.
True.
What you need?
I just line up the track. Oh, I think that's good. What's your still track? Try to tighten this up.
Let's double check it before we.
I think this death pump is leaking.
All right, so we got it in. We got the hose in, putting some hydraulic oil. Gonna start it up. Hopefully this will work. And then we can drive it out of here. And then once we get it back to the shop, we'll put all these pans and all that kind of stuff back on there. Needs a good cleaning on the inside. Needs to be blown out, cleaned out. So we'll do that while it's in the shop too. How much oil did we use? Probably 5 gallons.
Probably a little less than 5 gallons, yeah. Probably
4.5, 4.2. Yeah. All right, so we got all the oil in. Just got to tighten this track back up.
There's a swivel already in here.
And then we'll get it loaded up and back to the shop.
To heat this thing up.
Oh, nice.
I can put it on the dash of the truck this morning and let it heat up as we came over here, and then just cool it down again.
So we'll start the machine. Back a hair. You can leave it running. We are on the move. Hopefully that's it. Then we're rolling. Track's still a little loose. Oh yeah, home free. Oh mercy. Goodness. All right. Oh man, that was a job. Just come up here, see if anything's dripping real bad, but looks like we're good. Josh is getting the trucks out on the road. I'm gonna make sure we got everything down here. All right, so I don't know if you guys saw the first video, but so what we're doing here is we're cutting a road. We're forestry mulching where a future driveway is going to be. It's 1,000 feet long, so they had to get back here and do their perk test to see if their ground is going to perk. So this is the cheapest, easiest way to do it. We're not disturbing any ground, stuff like that. So this will work. It's not ideal because we have to go through and find all these stumps whenever we're done, and we have to do something with the mulch, but that's kind of beside the point. This is the best and easiest way to deal with this right now. So we were finishing up yesterday. The machine broke down right here, and so we brought the other machine, the 120, back to finish out. So the driveway continues here. We had to go around because we couldn't get the machine through this big hole. It's hard to tell on camera, but this is about a 8 to 10 foot hole that goes ravine that will end up putting a pipe through here and finishing that off. So here's kind of just walking down the drive this way. I don't remember how many acres they have here total, but it's a fair amount. And that's where we had to come around right there for the creek, the other side, or the ravine. So the driveway is actually going to continue right here. We thought it was going this way. I made a wrong turn. We flagged it wrong, but we forestry mulched that off. Looks good. And then, so this is approximately where it's going to go. By the time we clear this out, it'll be 30-40 feet wide in places, enough to get nice swales and nice crown driveway along this thing. But it keeps going up there quite a ways, and there's actually a little knob where they are going to put their house. So yeah, pretty cool. So I'm pretty sure we got the job to be able to do this. They obviously have to get the perk test done, get that completed, and next step, if it does pass, which I'm pretty sure it's going to pass, then we will be over here to get this cleared and cut for them and everything, clear and grubbed out and all that kind of stuff. Should be a good job, good little job for us. So I'm looking forward to it. Like, stuff like this is gonna be fun, figuring out that ditch and how to get in there. And we're gonna take dirt from back over here on this other side. But yeah, so let's try to catch Willie mulching here in a few minutes. We're gonna finish this up, and then we are gonna go to the shop and probably get that skid steer up and going, make sure it's ready to get work. This doesn't have to be perfect, but we like to leave it pretty nice so they can walk back down through here and stuff like that, have no problems. And then hopefully they can get their house kind of laid out too, get some rough stakes of where they want their house. It all looks good on paper, but when you go to put them in the ground up there, it's a little different.